Hi, in last video we have seen how we can reverse the string. In this particular video we are going to see how we can reverse the order of the string. We are not going to reverse the internal content, we are going to reverse the order of the string. For example, I have one string, my name is Durgesh, and I want to reverse the order of the words. So for example, Durgesh first, then is, then name, then my. Like that I want to do. So let me show you how we can do. So try to understand. See, we have one string which is my name, which is string only, and the content is nothing but the my name is Durgesh, and we have to print from here to here. So keep in mind there is one int is there. If you have any string which is separated by either space or any specific things like that kind of space, so out of 10 there is a chance 8 times that problem solved with the help of this function split function. Let me tell you what I'm trying to say. See, as I already told you in my previous videos, if you are going to split any string, it will going to become by default list only. Let me show you what I want to explain you. For example, I have taken one variable L, then I want to split this string. So copy here and paste, then split. And let me print this L. One second. Once again, we have to do one second. We need to comment this line. Yeah, let me run again. Sorry, we have to do one spelling mistake. No. See, I have split this string, so by default it is going to be converted into the list. If you check the type, one second, I will show you. Type of this L. One second. See, it is a list only. So this is what I'm trying to say. If there is any string and if you want to split that string, then by default it is going to be converted into the list. And one more thing I have told you, if there is any string like this, like if it is separated by any either space or any another separator, so there's highly chance then you have to use the split. So keep in mind this is a hint. So what I have did, I have one string, then I have a splitted that string. So we know if we are going to split any particular string, it will converted to the list. Then again, if it is converted to the list, then we can again reverse with the help of the slice operator. So let me show you how. So for example, I have taken one variable rev equals to, then I want to reverse. So I want to use the slice operator. So we know how we can use the slice operator. Then we need to specify the list variable, which is we have taken for L, and then in square bracket, we need to pass like that and -1. And I hope you know very well what is these things. And at last, let me print this reverse. And let me run. See, you can see here, Durgesh coming first, then is, then name, then my. But this is in the string. This is in the string. So might be interviewer can ask you like, I have given one string and you are returning one list. I want string only. Output also in the string format only. So as I told you, if you are going to split any string, then it will by default going to become list only. But if the same you are going to join any list, it will become the string. So let me show you how you can join. For that, one second, here, and let me remove this one so you will get clear idea. And let me take one variable. For example, R equals to, then here we need to specify the separator which is based on space only I want. So because of that only in single quote I have not passed anything. Then join, and what you want to join? I want to join this one, and let me print R. Let me run and show you. See, Durgesh is my name, but it is not coming properly. So here you need to add the space. Like based on space you want to join. That's it. See, Durgesh is name my. So this is how you can reverse the string with the help of the slice operator. And as I told you, if there is any separator like space or any other separator, at that time simply convert that string into the list. And how you can convert the string into the list? So if you split that particular string, so by default it is going to be converted into the list only. So if once it is converted to the list, then you can apply this logic and you will get desired output. And again, if you join that output, then it will again convert to the string only. So if you check the type of the R, it is the string only. Let me show you. 1 second. 1 second. See, str only. So this is the vice versa. If you split any string, it will become list. If you join any list, it will become string, like that. So keep in mind. So this is how you can reverse the order of the string. See, we are not reversing the string. We are reversing the order of the string. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.